Hey there, the team over at Jank Life has sent over this mini rotary tool for me to share with you guys. Now, this is going to be good for things like crafting and just all that tiny intricate work, because you can use it as a grinder, it can be used as an etcher. It comes with a bunch of accessories that can be changed out. Let's take a closer look at it. With this, you're going to get the grinding machine itself, charging cord, but no adapter. You're also going to get this case with all of these tools, as well as a smaller case with multiple sanding pads and brushes and such. It does come with a manual, and while it looks like it's a lot, it really is not. It's multiple languages. So there's the page of English here showing all the parts, and the other side here, and that's all the instructions that are included. Now close at the grinding machine itself, you have one button here. Once it's on, it will display the battery life here, as well as the speeds. So the first three lights are the speeds. The last lights are if there's an overload issue. The back has a spot for the USB charger, and this is the tool that is used for changing out things. So you have this little bitty Allen wrench, and then there's a little nut here on either side that fits in here, so it can be unscrewed, taken apart. Now you would be able to add these for your sanding rollers, as well as these grinding tools here. So here's a look at the two screws and the Allen wrench, and as you can see, they are very, very tiny screws. So I had a hard time installing one of the grinders for the first time. It was just super difficult because it was so tiny. Because this is so tiny, trying to work with this and put on the attachments, this is the best way I've found so far to attach it. Is I've got the long part of the Allen wrench on here, and I've kind of affixed the little screw on here, and then trying to keep it upright, I've tried to get it in there and then give it a few twists, and then it only took me 20 seconds or so to get it in there. So definitely challenging, but you know, it's not such a big deal after you've done it a few times. The saw blade goes in between the two washers, and then you would just tighten it up. So here I have a plastic bottle. It's not very loud. It's nice, relatively quiet. I don't mind the sound of it. And you can see some of the engraving here. You can see the lines here that it's making. Here I have the drill bit on it. That actually did a really good job on this plastic, putting little tiny holes in there. So in trying to do it on the can, you can see that I'm getting that overload button. So I like that it's easy to use. There's not a whole lot you need to worry about in regards to how to use it. It has plenty of different options that you can swap out, from the grinding to the drills to the saws and all of that. So I like that about it. It's rechargeable. It, you know, holds like a pen is nice. But I don't love that it is so intricate, because I actually dropped one of the screws on the floor and had to hunt for it for like 5 minutes. So when I use this, I'm definitely gonna have something underneath where I'm working, like a towel or a wash rag or a piece of cardboard, something to catch the screw should I drop it, because that was the biggest issue I had with this. I do like that it's rechargeable and everything kind of fits in one place. You have your two cases for your tools, and then you just have to find something to do with this, and actually it would probably fit right here in this rubber band that I have. If you're looking for a new crafting tool for etching and small detailed work, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.